section. Now let's take a look at the watch list. This is an interesting one, right? Because every single one of us have an aspect of our finances that we're particularly weak at. For me, it's Amazon. I am very, very, very bad with Amazon and Walmart spending. So for 2024, that's an area that I have to really watch out for. So create a watch list to monitor specific spending trends over time. You can track spending by categories, payee, or tag. So for example, if you're the type of person who go to Starbucks way too much, this is a great section to do that. We'll click on coffee shop and we'll create the list, right? So let's go ahead and create our watch list. I'm going to create a payee worksheet. So looking at Amazon, so anything that's Amazon related, I'm going to be tracking. And I'm going to set a target for myself to not spend more than $300 on Amazon. And actually, let's make it $200 on Amazon in any month. So I've created a watch list. So as you can see over here, I've already blown through that target. This is really good to see, right? Because in a month, I've spent like $1,000 on Amazon. So to set a limit of $200 is a stretch. Another one here, let me create a shopping category. So anything that's going to be shopping related, electronic, books, all of that, I'm going to be watching out for that. And I'm going to set a limit of $400. Let's say I want to set another watch list for Walmart. Walmart is another place where I get carried away just buying a whole lot of things from Walmart. So I'm going to set a Walmart watch list and set a $400 as well. So now you see I have all of my watch lists here. And this is very eye-opener, right? This month I've spent $2,000 so far on shopping. I've spent $1,000 so far on Amazon. I've spent $1,800. So I am way shy of this target. Year to date, I'm at $4,000 for shopping, which is kind of surprising because I would have thought it would be higher. So now, my favorite section. Welcome to the report section. This is where you will be every single month. And when you see me do my weekly budget, I am always in this section. So that is coming up next. Down here, this is where you have your settings. You can update your profile information. You can update your settings. This is the critical section for you. In your settings, you have the general settings. Do you want it light? Do you want it dark? You can make it darker. I don't particularly like this, but a lot of people do, so you could do that. You have your account settings. This is where you can also add and add to remove accounts. So I'm actually going to remove this account. I'm going to delete that. It's gone. But if I wanted to add it, I could add it. So you could add and delete accounts here. Categories. You can manage categories here, or you can manage them in the transaction section. So for example, for your car, if you wanted an extra category here on the car, because let's say you specifically want to track how much you spend at Shell, you could come here and add a Shell category. And this will be under auto and transport, gas and fuel, right? Create. So now under gas and fuel, you have Shell. This is if you wanted to track a specific, let's say, store as a transaction or whatever else you wanted to do. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. In the past for me, because shopping can be such a problem for me, I have done things like adding specific stores under shopping. So I would add, let's add Amazon as a transaction, and that would be under shopping. Now Amazon is now its own transaction. Before you go, follow me on my other platforms. On my business channel for career, business, and money strategies to build your corporate exit strategy. On my lifestyle and travel vlog for the real life behind the strategy. And on my podcast From Corporate to CEO for daily side business tips and motivation. But the real work happens in the community. This is where we support each other and build this together. Same values, same season, and same direction. I'll see you there.